Japan misses a chance to strengthen its tie with Europe. Japan's Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi skipped the latest NATO summit. The reason is said to be domestic politics. She prioritized the parliamentary discussions and passing government bills at home. However, some experts said that Japan has missed its very important diplomatic opportunity. As Russia continues its invasion of Ukraine and China expands its influence, the cooperation between European countries and Asia is becoming increasingly important. It's been said that Japan's prime minister is often tied to parliamentary debates more than leaders in many other countries. Both ruling and opposition parties need to ensure that domestic politics does not limit important diplomatic opportunities.